how to make eslint and Prettier work together. Because eslint has some function that Prettier does, we need to turn off those functions of eslint and extend that from Prettier. So let's go to the project and check how we can do that. First thing, we need to install this package eslint config Prettier, and this package turns off all rules that are unnecessary or might conflict with Prettier. So we will install this package for in develop or dev dependencies. We can check that here. My package is installed successfully in dev dependencies, and I need in the eslint rc file to extend Prettier and make it the last extension, to make sure it's turn off all the unnecessary rule or the conflict between Prettier and eslint. And you can check that by run this command against any file. So I will choose app tsx. So open this terminal and this path and run npx, the package that we installed, against app.tsx. No rules that are unnecessary or conflict with Prettier were found. So that's it. Thank you for watching.